guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, nakita nyo naman sa thumbnail, now we're gonna cook a traditional turkey. So sa labas ay nag-i-snow dyan. So bayaan nyo lang yung labas na yan kasi yeah, it's snowing and it's raining and it's wet outside. So now, I don't know how to cook turkey, but then again, YouTube taught me how. So tara na, simulan ang turkey. So guys, tanggalan muna natin ng dumi ang turkey. Tapos tinow ko na siya yesterday when I received this turkey. Thank you to GJM Enterprises who gave this turkey to us. And yeah, we're gonna clean inside. Clean the turkey with salt to remove all the dirts. In your big bowl, you wanna add a mayonnaise, and you wanna add ranch sauce, and you wanna add melted butter, and we have here 3 seasonings. We have paprika, garlic powder, and parsley. Mix all together. Big bowl, you wanna add your herb seasoning. And I will mix that one with breadcrumbs and combine all together. And you wanna add a onion, chopped onions, and a celery. And you wanna add a melted butter. And you wanna add a parsley, and a chicken broth with 2 cups. And mix all together and then done. Now, we want to make sure that our turkey is dry. You want to grab a paper towel and then you just dump in your turkey to let it dry and all over. Yeah. To remove all the excess water. To take your mixture that we prepare and make sure your hands is clean before you do that. And then let's start to take this. We need to do it, guys, otherwise you need to call somebody to do it for you. Oh, sorry. And you wanna take all the skin here and insert the sauce that you prepare so that the flavorings will be deep inside. And I wanna take the other side. You wanna grab the stuffing that we create before, and then we'll just make a bowl, and then we'll put inside. I'm gonna grab some apple and put here at the bottom. I prepare here a four pieces of foil, and then I'll put the turkey in here. So you want to add a chicken broth cube in the side of this turkey to make it more tenderized. And cover. So now our turkey is done. So we're gonna cook this one at 350 degrees for 4.5 hours.
Many hours later.
Guys, a 4.5 hour is already up, so we'll just remove this foil and let's go. So this is how it looks like, my turkey. This is, I love it here. So juicy, I can feel that.